Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Summer is around and we all feel so thirsty and we don't feel like going out in this hot summers. We all feel disturbed and we just can't work in peace. But trust me, if you just taste this summer drink which I'm going to show you today, you will truly enjoy your summer and also it makes your mind and mouth refreshing the entire summer. So let us see how to prepare this. All you need tender coconuts. If you have coconut trees at home, you can prepare. Otherwise, you can go to the coconut shop and get 2 tender coconuts. You can ask him to break it and ask him to get a water in the bottle, and also the coconut meat which is inside, that is the white part, that tender one, you can get it home. Now you need to take equal portions of coconut meat as well as coconut water in 2 different bowls. Now take a blender and add both coconut meat and coconut water into the blender and blend it or grind it nicely till the coconut meat and water get mixed well and they turn into a fine paste like this as shown here. Now after blending it for a while, add sugar to taste. Do not add more sugar because coconut meat, it's already sweeter in taste, so add a little bit lesser as the usual amount you regularly add it. Now after blending with sugar, take a bowl and place a sieve on top of it and add the entire mixture and drain all the coconut milk into the bowl. Now do not throw the pulp which I am showing here. You put it in the refrigerator. I am going to come with a new recipe. So take a bowl and you put that coconut milk aside. Now take the glasses in which you're going to serve to your guests or yourself. Now grease it with half cut lemon and also take sugar in a plate and just coat it nicely like this little bit presentation skills, this gives a nice feel that you're drinking some special drink. Obviously it is special. Now take the glass and add the coconut milk into the glass. That is, half the glass should be filled with coconut milk here. So with the glass which you're taking or serving, half of the quantity should be coconut milk. You can see the coconut milk is so creamy and so thick. That is the reason why I asked you to add equal portions of coconut meat and coconut water. Now squeeze half a lemon and add sweet basil seeds or sabja seeds. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of sabja seeds and allowed them to set for 1 hour with 1 full glass of water. So I forgot to show you that clip, but do soak it for 1 hour, then you will get nice soaked basil seeds. Now add Kinley soda. Here I have added any soda of your choice. Add soda, the remaining half of it you need to add soda, and that's it. Add a half cut lemon and a straw and enjoy this mouth and mind refreshing summer drink. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to in the comment section.